Welcome to the K Garage. This video, I need you to like the video, share, comments to help the work improve so that you get the update or any updates in the video that I'll post to the K Garage, the page. This video is all about Chevrolet cars. People, those who have the Chevrolet cars, complaining about their faults and those stuff, and then people who are planning to buy Chevrolet cars, especially cruise, and they are hear a lot of story about a car. Remember that a Chevrolet car is American car. You want to enjoy Chevrolet car, do this. This is the secret I'm giving you. To enjoy the Chevrolet car, you have to do this. One, you have to be regular servicing. You have to send your car to workshop so that they can cross-check everything for you. The regular servicing. Do maintenance regularly, because Chevrolet cars, the system is different than other cars. So you want to enjoy your car, make sure your service, you not joke with this. Two, you're supposed to send your car to workshop professional and to cross-check everything for you regularly. Do this regular, so if there is any problem on the way coming, the technician or mechanic will tell you, this is it, you have to do this, you have to do this to prevent the car or the upcoming problem. Right? So to enjoy the Chevrolet car, it's supposed to be regular servicing. You check engine servicing. You do something like engine tune-up, like the other video that I do first. The engine tune-up. Engine tune-up is sent to the workshop so they will check every part for you. That's supposed to change. So you do regular maintenance, you do regular servicing, your oil change, you have to do it regularly, on time. And then the driver or the car owner, you're supposed to know the car you are using. One, the engine sound. You're supposed to know your engine sound. So if your engine change its sound within a short of time, you know that no, it's something wrong. It's something wrong. So you have to send your car to near workshop or perfect technician. And then let me give you this secret. Chevrolet car is not like normal cars, Toyota, Nissan, and so on. Chevrolet car, their system is different. So if you didn't send a car or get a professional or a Chevrolet, you get your car on. Make sure that the person who are sending your car to know something about Chevrolet. The person understand Chevrolet cars or the system. The person understand the Chevrolet system, because the system is different. The electrical, it comes with engine components. They are different. They are different altogether than the Toyota, Nissan, Honda. They are different. Chevrolet is different. So make sure you do regular servicing, and then make sure you know your car performance. If something different comes in or engine change its sound, you know that no, this is not my car. The sound has changed. So you're supposed to send to mechanic to cross-check for you. But don't say I'll use it like that. You get your car spoiled and you bear a lot of cost. So this is Educate Garage. These are small tips I'm giving you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and you love the video. And I'll do a video about particular Chevrolet car for you and you understand the car perfectly and you love to buy the car and you love to use the car because Chevrolet cars is good car and then their fuel consumption is also good and it's low for you to do. Subscribe to Educate Garage.